Yo, what's goody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I want to show you a completely different side of meme coins that you might not even know yet, and that is deving. Most people in this space are still trading and losing thousands of dollars, but on the other hand, we are deving and printing thousands of dollars on the traders. All we're doing is finding viral narratives, creating a coin, launching it, and then cashing out on all the traders who buy our coin. And that's exactly why deving meme coins is way safer and way more profitable than trading, because you have nothing to lose. So in this video, I will be ungatekeeping my $1 million deving strategy all for you guys in this video. Let's go. And by the way guys, I've made a hefty amount purely from deving in the past couple of years, okay? I do know what I'm talking about, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. Now, most people who get into crypto focus entirely on trading meme coins. They think that once they buy a coin, they will make thousands of dollars on the spot, but that is completely far from the truth. They buy tokens and then they watch the chart and hope for the price to move in their favor, but guess what happens? Most of the time it doesn't, and it goes to zero, and they blame it on their trading style, not on the chart. But the truth is that the devs are completely manipulating these coins, and they're just dumping on you guys. They're just waiting for you to buy their coin, and they're just clipping profits once you buy in, and that's exactly why you have to start deving instead of trading. The people who actually make consistent money every single day, regardless of which direction the market moves, are the people deving these coins, and that's the truth. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. We're going to be launching a real coin on chain live, and I will be walking you through exactly every single step of the process to show you guys exactly how it's done. So make sure to watch until the end to learn exactly how it works and how to dev. And by the way bro, this entire video is purely made for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Now, when people decide to start deving, they mostly go to Pump.Fun because it's always the first platform they consider. They're just uneducated. They do not know that Pump.Fun is completely oversaturated. There's too many coins coming out every single day, and since there's a bunch of coins coming out at every single second, well, your coin will get no traction if you launch a coin. It will just get buried within minutes of going live. You were just wasting your time. On top of that, the platform controls your liquidity pool, and they take a percentage of your creator fees. So even when things do go well, you are not capturing the full upside of your own launch. So I would highly recommend to launch elsewhere. The real destination for any meme coin is, in my opinion, the Radium DEX. This is the level 2 of Pump.Fun. That is where active traders are. The migrate section has real volume, and this is where your coins gets discovered by way more people. Now obviously bro, if you are trying to get your meme coin on Radium using Pump.Fun, that will not work because it will require a $38,000 migration price for your Pump.Fun meme coin, which means you have to be using external launchpads, also known as Create Meme.io. This is the best, the fastest, and the most efficient external launchpad out here to launch coins on Radium, and most people do not even know this. Okay, that's why it's highly gatekept. Your coin goes directly to Radium and it reaches thousands of people, gaining more credibility for your meme coin and more profits. That's why we launch here. There are two approaches to creating a coin on this platform, and it's up to you to choose which one suits you the best. The first is building an original coin from scratch. This starts with finding a narrative. You want something that already has attention behind it. So I like to go on X, Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, and I like to look for narratives, right? For example, the Punch coin went absolutely viral, all because of a TikTok meme, right? Of a monkey. But yeah, you will just come back, invent a name, symbol, and image, and then your coin is live after these steps. But in this video, we will be using the copy trending coins method because in my opinion, this is the go-to method for every beginner. I even use it to this day. This is a faster path. Basically, okay, you can copy coins that are already gaining a bunch of traction on Pump.Fun. These tokens have active buyers, growing volume, and a validated narrative. So instead of building a whole new coin from scratch, you are launching your own version of something that's already working, but you were sending it directly to Radium instead, reaching a bunch of demand that already exists. You were just positioning yourself to capture profits where it belongs, okay? And this is exactly why vamping is so overpowered. But anyways, now it's time for the part that everyone was waiting for, and that is doing a live dev and then see how much we can make in profits. Obviously, we are talking in Solana. Now, connect your Phantom wallet. It's important to transact with the blockchain. Then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the which one? I'm gonna copy the agency coin. Click on copy to Radium. Then your Phantom will appear. Ignore the warning. It's normal. It's safe. Okay. Click on proceed, confirm, and then confirm, and then confirm, and then the coin will be minted. Just wait. Be patient. Come on. And bang, bro, if I go on SoScan for some proof, you guys can see the proof here is on chain. You guys can go see for yourself. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page right here specifically is where we create our Radium liquidity pool. It's pretty straightforward, and trust me, it's really easy. Do not be confused by this, okay? If you are confused, okay, just follow along or do it for yourself. Now for here is the liquidity, right? Click on 90%. This is what I usually do. Now for the amount of SOL to pair, here is where you are exchanging some of your Solana for some supply, because you are the creator and you want to make profits, right? So you need supply in your coin before everyone else to control the, you know, how much profit to make, right? So I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL here. You are not losing this. This is not a loss, okay? You will get this back later on at the end of the launch, or you can get it back whenever you want. And then click on create pool. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. And then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the agency coin is now live and your profits and P&L are going to show up right there. And if you click on the refresh button right here, as you guys can see, now we're up $132 in P&L, because now people are buying in early, and that's the power of Radium combined with copying a coin. It's insane. Now click on view on Photon or go on your personal trading platform, okay? It's available everywhere. Let me go in full screen. The coin should load in soon, and as you guys can see, okay, people are buying in. Wow, what the fuck? We're up like 300 bucks already. So many people are buying in. It's green. What the fuck? Oh, someone sold. But that's actually fucking insane, bro. This pump right here proves that copying is insane. Bro, you guys have to fucking drop trading. If you are unprofitable from trading, bro, you have to stop that shit and you have to start deving, bro. Because look, this coin costed us nothing to make. The barrier to entry to deving is absolutely zero, and that's why deving is so lucrative. 2.1k market cap. Oh my god, it's pumping 100 bucks in buyers. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to fucking pump. When I come back, I hope we're up a lot to cash out. So yeah, we're back. I am back, okay, and we are at the 4.5k market cap, 1.8k liquidity, bro. Let's cash out our profits and see how much we made. The volume is still really consistently good, but yeah, that's because it's Radium. Now anyways, come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, bang, we're up 2.2k USD. That is actually fucking good for a coin, okay? Yeah, now click on the minus button, and here you can choose how much you want to remove. I personally going to do 100%, then remove liquidity, and then wait for your Phantom to show up. Come on, fast. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to dev a coin. And look, I am not capping. We should receive the payout. Bang, we got it, 2.2k, which is around 27 SOL. Okay, we made that off one coin, and then you can do that consistently every single day, whenever you want, when you are bored, okay, to make this, okay? And obviously the results will vary from coin to coin. It all depends to your launch. Create meme.io will be linked down below, or just go on Google and type in create meme.io. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, and join my Discord and Telegram to enter the giveaway.